This video will show you how to make a quick repair on the flat welded seam of most inflatable items. Before you start making the repair, let the air out of the inflatable item. The next job is to get the area you are going to repair to be as horizontal and flat as possible. For this particular repair, we're going to use Tuff Tape self-adhesive patches. These patches are 75mm in diameter. This is what they look like. They've got a clear polyurethane film with a backing paper on it, and the glue is just under the backing paper. The next job is to clean the surface with some isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth. Now peel off the small part of the backing paper and apply the patch so that the centre is over the damaged area, and then carefully fold over and peel the remaining backing paper off. Press down firmly to remove any air bubbles and to ensure good adhesion. Then we've blown it up, and this is what it looks like, fully inflated and under pressure.